All right, let's tackle these word problems. So this says that the Spanish club has 46 members and that this is 6 members less than, so we're going to take 6 members away from something, right? Less than twice the number of German club. So twice G, German club. So we're taking 6 less than the German club, and that equals 46 members. All right, so there is our equation. And so now we need to solve because I want to know how many is in the German club. So I need to solve for G. So I'm going to tackle the 6 first because it's further from the G. We're going to add 6 to both sides. All right, that gives us 2G on this side equals 46 plus 6 is 52. And then if we divide by 2, G equals 26. So the German club has 26 members. Members in German club. Okay, 26. All right, let's clear this. We have room. All right, this one talks about 3 consecutive numbers. So remember, if we have 3 consecutive numbers, let's say 11, 12, and 13. Well, to go from 11 to 12, we add 1, right? And to go from 11 to 13, we add 2, right? So I can call 11 n. I can give it the variable n. And then 12 could be that number n plus 1, right? Because we said it's plus 1. And then 13 would be n plus 2. So that's what we can name these unknown consecutive integers that they're looking for down here. Okay? So, and they want us to sum, the sum of those meaning addition. Okay? So we're going to take our n plus n plus 1 plus n plus 2, and we're going to add those all together to equal 285. All right? So now we got to add our like terms together. We got 3 n's, and then we have 1 plus 2 is a positive 3 equals 285. All right? So let's get rid of this 3, subtract 3 from both sides. And now we have 3n equals 282. Right? And then we divide both sides by 3. And n is going to equal 94. So if n is 94, the 3 numbers are going to be 94, 95, and 96. Okay? All right. Let's clear that out so we have more room. And let's just slide this up here a little bit. All right, number 20, we have 3 consecutive odd numbers. So now, remember before, to go up to the next number, we just had to add 1. But now, if we're going to go from 11 to 13 to 15, that's going to take a positive 2, adding 2. And then to go to 15, we would add 4. So instead of n plus 1, n plus 2, we're going to have n, and then we'll have n plus 2 and n plus 4. Because our first odd number, and then to get to the next one, we'd have to add 2, and to the next one, we'd have to add 4. All right, so we're going to add all these together, and it's going to equal 315. All right, again, add our like terms together. That gives us 3 n's, and then 2 plus 4 is a positive 6, equals 315. All right, so let's subtract this 6 from both sides, and that leaves us 3n on this side and 309 on this side. Right? If we divide both sides by 3, we end up n is 103. So the first number is 103, the second number would be 105, and the third number would be 107. Okay? All right.